morning, guys. Very good morning. So today is 24th of January and we are at the KTM dealership. It's 8:10 in the morning and you can see this is Chaurangi. This is JL Nehru Road, Kolkata. And all the bikes you can see. If you want to have a look inside, you can see KTM, all KTM standing. Then you have the Huskies inside and the KTM 250 Adventure. I'll show you these bikes later. First you need to see the lot of people and the bikes that are traveling today. Oh my god, this is going to be wonderful. Wonderful. All the 390s together and the riders. We are just having a cup of tea and planning for the day. We are going for an adventure trail organized by KTM itself, and this is the first adventure trail of Kolkata. So we are still waiting for a few of the bikers to come in, and so see, this is my bike. The only odd one out, the 250 Adventure. All rest are 390s, and we have this Mr. Mayur Mahata is the group leader for us, and these are the bikes. So we have a couple of other bikes also, but since this is a KTM official trip, so all KTMs are going to be here. So I'll keep a look. I'll show you the glimpse again. Just see, oh my god, this is really going to be a fun ride, and we are going to Ulubedia, a destination which is approximately not that far from Kolkata. It is around 50 odd kilometers, and it's going to be nice. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see how it goes. Thank you. Yes, so we are again inside the KTM showroom, and little gifts are being distributed, which I already got. And these are the Huskies, like I told you. The low power bikes are there, but this is not a review of bikes or the showroom, so I am not going to tell you in details much. But let's see what I have got here. Let me keep it here and show you on this Duke. So this is a t-shirt, KTM t-shirt, branded t-shirt that I've got. And something fallen down. Yeah. This is a sticker, like I told you, KTM Adventure Trails, Kolkata. And this is a keyring that I got. So thanks KTM for all these goodies. Let's see how the day goes. And still people are collecting their gifts. Yes, so let the show begin. I'll capture more of the details soon. So guys, this is Azad Hind Dhaba. So this is inside of the dhaba. Actually we came inside and I'm wearing gloves and everything, so I could not use the camera. See, you can see this. This is on the highway. That's the national highway. This side, on your left hand side, it's going to Jharkhand and Orissa. Like if you want to go to Bhubaneswar or Jamshedpur or Ranchi or whatever, so you have to take left, and on your right hand side it is Kolkata. So these are a few customer vehicles parked, and now we have parked our bikes over there, very far away. Let me show it to you. They have, the KTM people have arranged for breakfast. And this is the team that is sitting over here. You can see everybody having food. good food. The food quality is good, and I have actually ordered for in the non-veg. I ordered non-veg, so I'm a hardcore non-veg. So some kulchas and chicken bhartas, and here is your favorite, the bikes. Again on a queue, standalone queue. So this is how it looks. So again during lunch, nice place to hang around. Pretty good, so far so good. Yeah. So guys, hope you can see the bunch of KTMs over here. People are relaxing. This is the route, and this spot is the dead end of the road. I mean, on the left hand side as well, you can see the road is going. However, straight if you come, it ends up at the river. This is the Bhagirathi river. It is not a sea, and due to fog, the view is not very clear. Hope you can see and understand. And there's a boat also on the river. People are enjoying, having fun with family. So wonderful place, very beautiful place, and very beautiful bike. So guys, the same spot, 58 gate number 58, and I'm here, all my gears on, and so you can see the river that side on my back, on the back side. There's a ship. Can you see this? This is so beautiful. The river Bhagirathi. It is mixing, you know, the direction of the sea is towards, the ship is heading the direction of the sea, towards the direction of the sea. So very astonishing, very beautiful, mind-blowing, and I can share some good clicks. I'll post it on the channel. You can see, and a lot of tourists and people are also coming in here. Here's my bike with my bag, and here are the people. Another one YouTuber here. A lot of YouTubers. The ship is amazing, but I'm guarding this ship. Can you notice the ship is sailing? Yes. Okay, so now it's time for me to return back home. Let's see. Yeah, bye.